In this video, I will show you how to earn Jio Coin in JioSphere. So Jio Coin is a rewarded token by Reliance Jio for a user within its digital ecosystem, right? It is designed to reward Jio user who are they using the ecosystem, right? It operates on the Polygon blockchain, offering security and scalability. Currently, JioSphere are now tradable and cannot be redeemed for cash or other cryptocurrency. So here to do this, to get it, we have to download JioSphere. Just go to Play Store, App Store, just go and download it here. Now once it get downloaded, open, and once you open, it will ask you to sign up or set up your wallet here. Right now, just go and click on next. I'm ready to use the browser. I don't want to set this as a default. Right, so here you can sign in to start earning Jio Coin now. Right, so if I just go and sign in into this, I will able to earn, for example, ready to unlock rewards. So here sign in to earn. So I have to enter my phone number, then I have to log in into this account, and then I will able to earn. So how you can earn more? Earn Jio Coin by browsing the internet. So when you're using this browser, whenever you are searching for it, just like a Google, for example, if I just go and search here Wikipedia, right? So automatically, depending upon how much I'm using, so this is a VPN, right? So depending upon how much I'm using, I will able to earn more and more JioSpheres coins, right? And these are daily milestones and missions and tasks. Complete daily check-ins and participate in JioSphere. Activate to earn more coins. You can refer your friends. For example, if I just go back here, let me just go back, and here you can see there's a much more option. For example, you can just share with your friends, and once you sign in, you will get this option. Make sure there's sync on, right? And there's a lot of features that are going to come up on this browser here. And there's a loyalty programs, loyalty rewards. So obviously, if they are launching a coin and they want us to trade, and this is a lucrative way to keep using the browser, automatically they are going to release new features to earn more JioSpheres coins, right? So this is the way to do it. Thanks for watching this video.